Hello everyone, I'm Eloise from the Seraphim Temple of Light, and today I wanted to record a short video about the importance of grounding, connecting and protecting. So today I'm recording this video from my garden in the Isle of Avalon at the bottom of the tour, and the element of wind really wanted to be in this video, so I do apologise, but it's really good for blowing away those cobwebs. So why do we need to ground, connect and protect daily? So all of us lead very busy lives, whether it's going to the office, whether it's getting the children to school, whether it's taking good care of the home. We might be spending a lot of time on social media, maybe Facebook, watching the telly, and we get disconnected. We get disconnected from our real mother. Now, our ancestors spent so much time outside in the garden. Whether it was like our grandmother who'd be looking after her roses and growing her own vegetables, whether it was our grandfather that was outside tending, in the fields, looking after livestock, and they remained really connected. Nowadays we're spending so much more time inside and we forget to be connected. We forget how to connect. And this can sometimes lead to fatigue, feeling out of balance, maybe experiencing headaches, not sleeping so well, and we actually may even go to our GP or doctor to have a diagnosis. And actually what's going on in many cases is that we're not connected. We're not connected to the earth, we're not connected to the universe, we're not connected to our heart, and we definitely are not connected to nature because we're spending a lot of time inside on the screen. So in this short course, my sort of goal is to connect you back to yourself, connect you to the earth and the universe, and to connect you to nature. So sometimes we might be experiencing the anxiety attacks, the fatigue, loss of motivation, maybe a little bit of depression, and all of these can be helped by spending time in the garden, spending time in nature, going for a walk near the river or the ocean, in the woodlands. And I know this is being filmed in May 2020, and at the moment we're currently on lockdown, so it's more difficult to be able to go and connect to nature. But my goal is in this short course is through the meditation and through the teachings to share with you how to connect on a daily basis. And just simply what I'm doing is going out in my garden, connecting to the earth and Father Sky, and just feeling the energy around me, looking at the trees, watching the birds, looking at the beautiful flowers. All of these will help you get connected, grounded and centered and aligned. And it's really good to do this a few times a day. So for example, if you're busy in work, during your lunch hour, get to the park. If you can't get out because we're still on lockdown, then just do some breathing within your heart. Imagine that you're out in your favorite place in nature, connecting to the earth, connecting to the universe, and bringing in that protection. It only really takes 5 minutes, but you'll be really surprised how much better you feel by just doing this simple connection. So I'm sending my love from Avalon, my beautiful garden. The birds are singing and sending their vibrations and healing energy to you too. So thank you for joining my course. I really look forward to connecting you in the future. Thank you. So much love.